Well, anyone who knows anything about real estate in Singapore knows this condominium, Alba, 8 Cairnhill Rise. It is an exquisite complex, and what I am about to show you today is a fabulous unit, absolutely gorgeous layout. So you guys are going to come with me. You're in for a treat. Let's go. Nothing can truly prepare you for this gorgeous, fantastic floor-to-ceiling windows with its unbelievably expansive view of the Singapore skyline. This wonderfully expansive open-plan lounge and dining room invites you in to entertain any number of guests, or perhaps sit in quiet contemplation, breathing in the beauty of the breathtaking surroundings. The full potential of these high ceilings have been realized with floor-to-ceiling cabinetry throughout, integrated fridges, pantry, pull-out and internal accessories for alternate organization. Each of the 3 voluminous bedrooms are dramatic and splendid in their own right, and they have an abundance of storage, each with a beautiful walk-in wardrobe and their own attached bathroom. Alba comes with all the modern comforts you could possibly imagine. The best part is this unit comes fully furnished, ensuring that this is a pragmatic home for anyone. Alba is District 9 at its best, waiting to embrace you with its stunningly spectacular pool, gymnasium, the gorgeous outdoor seating area, barbecue and pod area for you to entertain your guests. Orchard Road is just a short stroll away with its cafes, restaurants and shopping waiting to entice you. The parties will be remembered, a life lived savoured, a journey of endless inspiration. The Far East organization started it. The rest of the chapters are up to you. And remember, when you purchase your beautiful home at Alba, we will host your housewarming party. You bring the food and drinks, we'll bring the fun and the glamour.